What is up, you guys? Welcome to another video. So we just got a quick little POV today. Nothing too crazy, nothing too crazy. I hate when it shows cops up ahead, but like you don't see them. Like it might show them, but then you're like, where? Where are these cops at? Damn, look at the traffic though. Look at the traffic. What Porsche is that? I've been seeing, ever since I started watching a whole bunch of Porsche content, I don't know if I'm just more aware of the Porsches outside now, but I keep seeing Porsches everywhere. It's crazy. But yeah, Porsche's growing on me, definitely. I don't know if you guys feel the same way, but it's the most hyped car on social media right now. There's no car that gets more glazed than the Porsche right now on social media. Everybody and their mom wants a Porsche right now. So I did hear this other guy with a Carrera S. It shocked me. He put an exhaust on it, and I think it's tuned, and it sounds really, really good. I wish some of them came like that from factory, but you know, I don't know. It feels crazy spending more than 150K on a car, and then it's like quiet from factory, you know? Like most of these guys are paying 180, 190, 200. And then they're paying for an exhaust, a tune. It's like, why can't all that just come factory? I don't get it. I don't know why it can't just come like that from a factory, man. But whatever, it's cool. Let's get some sport mode action going. Guy got his top down. It's nothing like having a convertible, bro. I don't care what nobody says. We could debate all day, and I know a lot of car guys prefer the hard tops. I mean, yeah, hard tops, or don't even want a convertible. They just want a fast car. But come on, bro. And it's so crazy to me, like most car guys hate being seen. Why don't you want to be seen in a car that you worked hard for and you want to show it off, right? And I'm not saying like you gotta be the guy that's flexing every day, but you know, why would you not want to be seen in a nice car? Like, it's crazy. I mean, I get it, but it's like I also don't get it. Like I get it because like we all got dark ass tints and we don't really want to be seen, and we got privacy, right? But I don't know. It's crazy to me though. It's crazy to me. But yeah, ever since I got this car, now I just want convertible. Like if I get a 911 Turbo S, it's got to be a convertible. If I go McLaren, I want to, like, it gotta be a convertible no matter what. That's just how I'm feeling right now, honestly. I love Delray though. Delray's such a vibe. I'm not gonna lie though, the past like week or so, there's been a lot of traffic over here. I think a lot of people are coming in early for the holidays, because usually people don't start coming here till like second week of December, third week. So I don't know, it's different. But yeah, I could definitely tell like traffic has picked up a lot more since people have started booking flights to Florida all of a sudden. Might be easier to stay in that lane, actually. I just realized. Oh yeah, look at all them cars up ahead. Jeez. Yeah, I'm gonna go the other way and come back around. But yeah, I love Florida. I'm born and raised in Brooklyn, New York. Moved here about 2 years ago. And it's funny, people hate staying in their hometown. Like, people who were born here, they all cannot wait to leave. I have friends that were born and raised here in Florida, and they are like, get me out of here, I'm over it. But for people who lived in cold states, it's like nothing. Like, you want to be somewhere that's hot, good weather, you know? So let's go around, let's do the long way a little bit. They've been building these for the past 2 years as well. Nice little condos. It's smart. The real estate's going up like crazy, so people who don't have a job, get you a construction job, bro. You will never go broke in Florida. Construction or HVAC, because you know they need ACs all year long in Florida. So you get you one of those and you're good, for real. You're good to go. I always have to stop short here because I can't see, and now I have this GoPro blocking my view, so I can't see when it's turning green. Oh yeah, it's green. Okay, there it is, there it is, there it is. Damn. This car is amazing, man. But yeah, it's actually been coming out really nice. I like that they're including balconies. For me, that's always a plus. Like, any place I'm at, gotta have a balcony, or it gotta be really high up in a nice location where you can see the water and all that. It's crazy though, because I smoke cigars, I use the balcony a lot, but the average person, they pay all this money to get the balcony and they don't even go on the balcony. Most people who have an apartment with the balcony, it's like hype for like a week or two, and then after that they're barely on their balcony. So that's why it's like the only people that really use it is like the smokers. Like, you smoke weed, you smoke cigars, whatever, you're gonna use it. Because it's so much better than having to go somewhere, be outside, find a good spot, make sure you're not in someone's face. Come on, guys. But yeah, it just saves you the trouble of like being in the way, I guess. People turn so slow here, it's crazy. Damn, why'd this guy go so slow? What is going on over here? What is that? Oh, they're on break right now. What is that? But yeah, Delray's chill. Before someone showed me around in Delray, I thought it was nothing but like old people, because when I would pass through here, older people come out during the day. Like, a lot of the older people are out during the day eating whatever they gotta do, but at nighttime, the baddies is just outside. Like, it's crazy. The baddies is all outside, so it's crazy though. And there's a lot of shopping to do, but at nighttime is just when the younger people are all outside. And you assume that you know, I'm telling you, if you ever come here during the day, and you're literally gonna see nothing but older people. Depending on what spot you're at, but like, look, let's see, do we see any old folks? Let's see. Wait, look, there's some of them. There's some younger people. Look, we got two old folks right here. I love the burbles in this car so much, man. Love the burbles. All right, come on. Oh, thank you. I love when there's no one here. So I can make this right over here. Also notice a lot of tourists come to Delray too. There's a lot of beaches and a lot of hotels and Airbnbs by the water. So yeah, my brakes are squeaking already. Oh my god. I'm not gonna lie though, my tech over at Mike Maroon Chevy, he puts this paste on my brakes so that way they don't squeak as much. And ever since he did that, my brakes stopped squeaking for like, I'm gonna say a good 4 or 5 months. Because when I first got this car, they were squeaking like all the time. But yeah, I was squeaking all the time. And I just realized that was a cop right there. Let's hope he's a chill cop though. Let's hope. Ah, he's turning. Perfect. Yeah, Delray's awesome. I just like that there's just like so many spots here. Like Delray got shopping, eating. I mean, it's the same all over Florida, but like Delray got everything right on this one strip. And then if you go down those little blocks, you'll see them, but it's just different. It's different. And I'm not gonna lie, I don't know if it's because it's the holiday time or whatever, but I've been getting a lot of people sending me pictures of the car in my DMs when I'm like out or whatever. So it's pretty dope. I always like seeing pictures of it on the outside, you know. When you have a car for like a minute, like you kind of get used to it. But like seeing pictures in person, or like if someone catches me doing a pull on the highway and they record a video, usually it comes out dope. So gotta let the baddies go, man. Let the baddies go first. Let them go. I hate the baddies that take too long though. Come on, girl. Yeah. Okay, this is a Beach Paradise store that they charge way too much stuff for beach stuff in there. But they get a lot of tourists though. A lot of people go in there and just spend money, but it's really overpriced, like really overpriced, bro. But yeah, it's impossible to not like down here. Like, look, it's beautiful right now. It's 12:29, middle of the day, and like it's beautiful here. Should went the other way, but it's cool. And there's another spot further down that a lot of people eat at. It's supposed to be really good. So, oh, I hate this car. I've seen a commercial about it. I hate that car. I don't know. I feel like the people getting the electric cars are just trying to do something different so they can't be like everyone else. But come on, man. Who wants to sit and charge their car for 30, 40 minutes? Like, you got that kind of time during the day. Like, gas is so much easier. You just pump it up, you're there a minute, 2 minutes, 3 minutes max if you're really on E, and that's it. Like, I don't know. And the one thing I haven't really liked that I've noticed though, in sport mode, it's so torquey that like sometimes the car will just jerk too much. Like sometimes I'm trying to just, oh come on. Now watch, this dude's gonna take 15 years to turn. Oh my god. Craziest turn I've ever seen. I wish more people would do this to their Chargers. Like, make sure you don't have tints so I could think like you're a normal person. Cause this doesn't show me like cop vibes. Like, I don't get detective or cop vibes from this car at all. It doesn't even look like a cop car. So, damn, my brakes are squeaky. Holy crap. Brakes are squeaky, so it's crazy. Is she going? Is she going? Is she going? Going? Oh, all right. Try to let you go, girl. You guys know we gotta let the baddies go, man. But she wasn't trying to go. Yeah, I love this pair though. I mean, just because one, it's one of the few spots in Florida, there's so much parking. I've been to many other like spots in Florida and it'll be a long strip and there's not that many parking like on the side here. But here there's so much parking and it's beautiful. There's spots of the water. Even if you don't want to go in the water, like you want to just chill on one of these benches and just look out, it's beautiful, man. So I don't know. I will forever love Delray. Delray is a beautiful spot, and honestly, if you're much younger, I'm 27, but for the folks that are, you know, 20s, 30s, like, I don't know, I feel like this is the perfect spot to be in, because you still get a mixture of like the young crowd, the old crowd. So yeah, man. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Just want to record something for you guys today. Make sure you guys have some content. So please give this video a big like, comment, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.